Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. So let's start our video today. I know you're eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out as to when I'll give you the job notifications like other times and you will be able to follow my video and apply for the job. I hope the other videos are giving you benefit. Definitely with this video also I have come out with a job notification. I'm sure you will be benefited out of it. This is about IIT Madras Recruitment 2021. You can apply online for 92 staff nurse, junior superintendent, junior engineer, junior assistant and other posts at Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras, which is inviting applicants for 92 staff nurse, junior assistant, junior engineer and other posts are also there. You have to apply through online mode. This IIT Madras Recruitment 2021 application form will be available on the official website from 24th July 2021 up till 23rd of August 2021. IIT Madras Recruitment 2021, Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Madras, has invited applications from eligible person for recruitment of 92 post staffs of staff nurse, junior assistant, junior engineer and other posts. Whosoever is interested and eligible can apply for the post online by visiting the official website of Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras. People must note that the last date for the application of this post is 23rd August 2021. The employment details about this post, age limit, educational qualification required, experience and other conditions are given in this video. Now, the candidates are requested to go through all the details and ensure and make it sure that they fulfill the minimum prescribed criteria before you are applying for this particular post. You can apply online on or before 23rd of August 2021. Now I'll give you a job summary. The notification is released by IIT Madras Recruitment for 2021. You can apply for 92 staff nurse, junior superintendent, junior engineer, junior assistant and other posts. The notification date was 24th July 2021 and the last date of submission is 23rd of August 2021. The city of job location will be Chennai. The state will be Tamil Nadu and country definitely India. So organization's name is IIT Madras. Educational qualification required is diploma holder, graduate and others. Functional area is other functional area. Now I'll talk about the important dates. Starting date for this online job application was 24th July 2021. And the last date to apply for this online application is 23rd August 2021. Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras staff nurse, junior assistant, junior engineer, details of all the posts are given here. Staff nurse is available for 3 posts, assistant security officer 3 posts, junior superintendent is having 10 posts vacant, junior engineer 1 post, junior assistant 30 post, junior technician 34 post, junior technician for maintenance has got a vacancy of 6 number of post, junior technician for telephones have got a number of vacancy of 1 post, junior library technician has got a vacancy of 4 number of post. Now I will talk about the qualification required, that is the educational qualification. Firstly, the staff nurse. BSc in nursing with 60% marks or equivalent CGPA with 2 years of relevant experience or 3 years diploma in nursing and midwifery with 60% marks or equivalent CGPA with 5 years of relevant experience. Next, I'll come to Assistant Security Officer. bachelor's degree with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institute with military or police or NCC or firefighting training and 6 years of relevant experience and able to ride light vehicle or motorcycle. Next, coming to the qualification of junior superintendent. Bachelor's degree in arts or science or humanities, including commerce with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university with 6 years of administrative experience is required for this post. Next, I'll come to the educational qualification of junior engineer. Bachelor's degree in electrical engineering with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution with 2 years of relevant experience or 3 years diploma in electrical engineering with 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution. Not only that, you are also required to have 5 years of relevant experience in the very same field. Next, I'll come to junior assistant. You need to be having a bachelor's degree in arts or science or humanities, including commerce, with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institute with knowledge of computer operations for creation of documents, presentations such as PowerPoint presentations and spreadsheet applications is very required. Next, I'll come to the educational qualification of junior technician. 3 years diploma in relevant to the stream with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution, or BSc in relevant to the stream with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution, or post SSLC with 2 years ITI course, that is trades relevant to the stream, with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution with 2 years of relevant experience. Candidates desirous to apply for more than one stream should submit separate application for each of the streams. Now I will talk about the junior educational qualification of junior technician maintenance. 3 years diploma in civil engineering or electrical engineering with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution, or post SSLC with 2 years of ITI course, that is trades relevant to the stream, with at least 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution with 2 years of relevant experience in this field. Now I will talk about the educational qualification of junior technician for telephones. Here, 3 years diploma in ECE or CSE or equivalent with at least 60 percentage marks or an equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institute is required. Next, coming to the educational qualification of junior library technician. Bachelor's degree in any discipline with M. Library Science, Masters in Library Science with 60 percentage marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or institution is required. Now I will give you some general instructions. General instructions for the candidates. Firstly, candidates should apply online only in the website https://recruitment.iitm.ac.in. Separate application has to be submitted for each and every post if you so apply. Thirdly, candidates should follow the prescribed procedure of the submission of online application. The candidates who are so applying shall upload only the following relevant documents in the following format or the sequence that is given according to the notification. Firstly, I'll talk about the documents that is required. Firstly, certificates of educational qualification in chronological order, that is SSLC, HSC, diploma, undergraduate degree, postgraduate degree, PhD, and so on. All the years, marks, list of minimum educational qualification prescribed for the post that you have applied for. Secondly, certificate of birth, of date of birth, which is issued by municipality or etc., or matriculation or high school certificate is required. Next document that you require is valid category certificate for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or OBC, NCL or EWS or PWD or ex-servicemen etc. if it is applicable. Next, no objection certificate from current employer if applicable. Next, certificates of experience in chronological order, and it should be in proper format. That is, it should be on the organization's letterhead that you have been working, bearing the date of issue, name, designation, specific period of work, nature of duties, and signature of the administrative department or the administrative authority or the owner of the organization or the institute, along with his or her seal, which makes the candidate eligible for applying for the said or the aforesaid post. Next, salary certificate. Salary certificate towards their experiences. In the salary certificate, the breakup of gross salary, which is the fixed pay, and also the allowances or any other salary should be indicated clearly by pay, DA, HRA, and any other allowances that you have. Salary certificate obtained from private companies or parties with consolidated amount will not be considered. These certificates should contain the breakup of the salary so as to enable to compare with the scales and the pay of the present company that you are having with the government indicated against each post wherever it is required. Not only this, along with this, you also require certificate of proficiency. Certificate of proficiency should be submitted wherever required with respect to desirable qualifications as it is mentioned. The next indication I will give you, or the next information I will give you, is the candidates who have submitted experience certificates from PSU or autonomous bodies or private organizations and their pay scales are different. It is their own responsibility to submit equivalent certificate to consider their experience. Otherwise, the experience may not be taken into account by this organization. The next information I like to give you is applicants who are in the government employment or PSUs, that is public sector units, or government autonomous institutions or central and state government undertakings will be required to produce NOC, that is no objection certificate, along with vigilance clearance and last 5 years ACR or APARs at the time of document verification or test or during the time of interview. Candidates without NOC will not be permitted to appear for the test or for the interview. Next, candidates are advised to fill their correct and active email address only in the online application, as all the correspondence or whatever information it will be made by the institute through the email only. So be very careful about this. Test or interview schedule and requirements with regard to copies of certificate to be submitted in respect of claims made in the online application will be emailed only in due course to the candidate or to the applicant in the registered email that you have provided in the application form, and will also be posted on the recruitment portal of the institute. So you can check from there also. No separate letter by post will be sent for this purpose. Further, for any updates, please visit the recruitment portal regularly, as any subsequent amendment or changes will be announced in the website or in the recruitment portal only, and not through any other websites. Next, I'll talk about the application fee. Application fee is rupees 300 only, and it should be paid through online portal only. The steps are there, you can follow that. No application fee is required for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWD or women candidates. The fees paid shall not be refunded under any circumstances, nor can the fees be held in reserve for any other application or examination or selection of the further coming examinations. So, another information that it is released, that the candidates applying for this post should ensure that they have fulfilled all the eligibility criteria and the conditions for this post. Their admission to any stage of the selection process will be purely provisional, subjected to confirmation that they have satisfied or they satisfy the prescribed eligibility conditions. Mere issue of registration certificate or call letter to the candidates or to the applicants will not imply that this letter or his or her candidature has been found eligible. No, don't take it for granted. After successful of online submission of application, a printout of the application form must be obtained and submitted by the candidate when called for the test or for the interview. Now, keep in mind, it will be required at the time of document verification. If not so during the document verification, then during the test or during the interview. Hard copy of the application is not to be sent to the institute. Next, I will talk about the another information they have given, that is application forms incomplete. If your application forms are incomplete in any way or not having required educational or experience certificates, or without the prescribed application fee, or the latest photograph, is liable to be rejected without any intimation or without any information to you. No correspondence whatsoever will be entertained by the institute from the candidates or from the applicants regarding conduct and result of test or interview and reasons for not being called for the interview. So this is solely to their discretion. Canvassing in any form will be a disqualification for your eligibility. The crucial date for determining the eligibility criteria for all the candidates or for all the applicants in every respect shall be prescribed the closing date for submission of online application. And if you have failed so, you will not be getting any other date. The last date for submission of online application is 23rd of August 2021 up till 5:30 p.m. That is the last time where you can submit your application form. Now I'll talk about the selection process on the basis of test and interview. It only you will be applied for. Now coming to the main question of how to apply. Interested and eligible persons can apply for the post online by visiting the official website of Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras. Persons must note that the last date for application is 23rd of August 2021 and you cannot submit your online application after that. So I guess I have given you all the eligibility criterias, all the things you required, all the documents you must carry or must present during the application. So with all this being provided, I'm sure if you are eligible enough, you will be getting the job. So I think this is a very good opportunity in this market scenario where jobs are really not available. So if you have the eligibility criteria, go grab this position. So all the best for your dream career and job ahead. Wishing you all the best for it, and thank you for patiently hearing me out. Thank you.